Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change out the rear fog lights on your Citroen C3. This is a 2021 model. Make sure the engine's off and also your ignition is off as well. So take out the key. Be careful when working with lamps because they may be hot. Let's get started. So this is a UK car and this is your fog light just here. This is your indicator, but this one here is your fog light. So we need to take out this whole cluster, but it's not actually a hard job to do. First things first is we're going to remove this panel, which you just need to lift up like that and take out. And there is a little nut, plastic nut just here that we need to undo. I'm going to use some pliers and I'm going to jump in the car from the seats down. It makes it much easier. So the nut we need to undo is just here. And if we get some pliers and put it in there, and you can turn it counterclockwise, and then once you've started it off you can do the rest by hand. Now we've loosened the nut off, so we need to unturn it a lot by hand, but there's a chance of dropping that nut down into the wing, so we've just got an old rag and we're just going to shove it down in there, and hopefully then it will land on top of the rag rather than go down into the wing. Now before we do anything else, we're going to undo the connector there. You need to pinch it from the top and then the connector will pull out. So there we go, that's the little pinch thing just there. You can see that that's the bit that you pinch on top there. So if you just put your thumb on there and squeeze down and then pull it out, it will come out. So we're going to undo that nut now by hand. Okay, so that's the nut out. You can see what it looks like just there. So now the whole cluster is going to come out. There we go. So now that the cluster's out, we need to get to the actual lamps underneath here. So we just need to undo this clip here. These clips just pull out like so, and another clip here. And we just need to work our way around and go around each of them like that, and then this whole section here just lifts out, and this here is your fog light, and it's a PR21W indicator, brake and side light there. So it's going to be a little bayonet fitting, so we're just going to push the bulb in and turn it a tiny bit counterclockwise and it will come out. This bulb isn't actually faulty, or lamp I should say. And then to put it back in, we just need to line it up, so you can see there's little bits sticking out of it just here and here. We need to line it up and push it in and just go a little bit clockwise and it will lock into place. There we go, and then we need to put it all back together. So we're going to line this up in here and clip it back in. Make sure every clip clips in. And we need to put the whole cluster in here. And push it in, and now we need to do up that big nut again and going clockwise. Just going to do it by hand for the whole way until the very ends, and then just use the pliers. If you put pressure on the whole light cluster with your other hand, you'll find that it will be seated fully home. And then when the screw's fully done up, you just need to put the connector back in and only go one way. There you go, that's clicked in. Take the old rag out, and now we're just going to put the little blanking plate back in there. So that's it. So you can see it's nice and straightforward to change out the fog light on this Citroen C3. Thanks for watching.